Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlefish? Today, I'm turning the camera back on. I have a second at work. I want to say something. Quality's gonna be terrible. I do want to upload because it's something that I think a lot of people, if they do end up watching this, it's gonna be one of the most valuable things I think I've posted on the channel, and it's gonna be stupid quick. Get out to the marketplace. This is a reminder to stop iterating without data, the minimum viable product down and send it to market as soon as possible. Run the cold emails, run the cold DMs, cold call, door knock, whatever you got to do. Get your offer in front of real people, real eyeballs, etc. Don't tweak every single part of your offer with no real feedback or data, even though it will be shit once you first ship. That's the whole point. You get feedback, you test, you iterate with actual live marketplace data. I think this is one of the things that's been holding me back. I know this is one of the things that's been holding me back. I definitely could have started doing cold emails a lot sooner. But today I'm going to send out some emails. I've been saying this forever. I think it's just maybe due to the fear of rejection, the fear of nothing happening, fear of not getting anywhere with it on my first try. This is just something that I need to transcend because I think procrastination just comes from fear of failure. This is something that I've been avoiding, and I think what we tend to avoid is actually what we need to focus on. So I'm gonna be taking this down, the lesson, through my online journal, watching right